excited for these delicious dinner rolls. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna love it. If you are not a baker or you never made bread before, you have to make this recipe, because I promise you, I'm the same way, but I promise you, it's so easy to make, it's super quick, and you're gonna be making this on rotation like I have. I'm telling you guys, you have to make this. They're semi-sweet, so perfect balance of sweetness and perfect balance of savory. And of course, these dinner rolls are perfect for Thanksgiving, perfect for Christmas Eve, perfect for the holidays, or even as an everyday breakfast, right? With ham and cheese, a little bit of butter and jam. You have to make it. Are you ready to make this delicious semi-sweet dinner rolls? Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get started. In my bowl, I'm going to add half a cup of warm water and 1 packet of this instant yeast fast acting. Now, what I'm going to do is add it to the water, and I'm going to mix it very well. But I do have to tell you that if you buy the instant yeast, you do not have to do this step. I just forgot. You just can add it straight into the flour mixture and avoid the step. But since I forgot, I am doing this extra step of adding the fast-acting yeast into my water, and I'm mixing it well with a spoon. You can use a fork, letting it sit for 5 minutes until you start seeing those bubbles rise on top, just like that. And now we're going to set it aside and continue with the rest of the ingredients. And now, using my handstand mixture bowl, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of melted butter. We're doing everything in the same bowl that we're going to mix it in. That way, one less bowl to clean. And now we're going to add 1 cup of regular milk and 1 cup of sugar. And we're going to whisk away until it's nice and smooth. And now we're ready to continue to add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. One teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to add the instant yeast mixture, and we're going to place it into our mixing machine. Make sure that you have this hook on, because we need it to mix well and form our dough. As you can see, this hook, and now we're going to mix it on low for about 5 minutes. And once you see that the dough is not sticking to the bowl, as you can see, I'm going to turn it on, is literally mixing away, we are ready to turn it off and remove the dough from the hook. If you see that it gets stuck in there, you can easily remove it. Alright, and now we're going to place a clean cloth on top at room temperature for about an hour until it doubles in size. As you can see, perfect. Now we're going to punch a few times. This way it releases the gas, also allowing the yeast to distribute evenly within the dough. And now we're ready to make our balls. If you see that it's getting stuck in your hands, you just want to add flour first and then form the balls. If you want them big, make them big. If you want the bread, obviously the dinner rolls, to be big, form them a little bigger. I'm forming medium-sized dough balls. I'm placing it into my pan with butter. That way it doesn't get stuck. Here they are, 11 balls, meaning we're going to make 11 dinner rolls. All we have to do is also place again our clean cloth for about 40 minutes until it doubles in size, as you can see. And the last thing that we are going to do is add some of that beaten eggs on top. Egg wash on top. That way the bread can have a nice color. And that's all we have to do before we're ready to bake these delicious dinner rolls. Alright, now we're ready to bake for 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here are our delicious dinner rolls. Some are bigger than others, but it doesn't matter because it tastes the same. It's super delicious. Hope you guys enjoy this sweet, semi-sweet dinner rolls for your next dinner or for breakfast. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Hope you guys can make it and let me know in the comments how you liked it. I'll see you next time.